Today we have a 1975 Aston V8 Coupe with a manual transmission from the factory. Original colors, matching numbers. I've known the car for many, many years, since 1977, 78. An enormous amount of money was spent recommissioning this car from lack of use for several years while in their long-term collection. We sold it last year and it has just come back because the client has sentimental value in another Aston that he owns, and there's so many you can have. How about that? But it is back. It is one of my favorites. It is excellent in every way, and we're going to give it a road test. All right, here we are. It's a nice little lopey idle until it warms up. We're going to get it on the road, and then we're going to actually warm it up and come back to you. Well, we are at operating temperatures. We're on our back roads around town. The car is lovely with air conditioning that actually works, and as comfortable around town as it is on the highway. So it's very docile. One of my favorites. Always has been. And we'll sit in traffic forever. It's just one of those cars. People years ago used to ask me, do you think it's like a Jag? Does it need a bigger radiator? Does it need a fan? And then I remember in my younger years seeing them in London sitting in traffic over and over and over and over again. I figured, you know what, if it could do that, it could sit anywhere in traffic and it doesn't overheat. So they are exceptional, they're usable, and well, if you look at the website, obviously favorites of mine. So the air conditioning, we don't want it to be as loud, but it does blow pretty damn cold. Has a winter summer switch for the compressor, a radio that works, and what else can I tell you? Here, ready? Town and country horns, because you must for an English car. You never know when you're traveling out to the estate for your weekend. But other than that, I don't know what to tell you. We're going to let the car speak for itself and run it up through the gears a little bit. First, we'll get right out of the town. You enjoyed the flybys. There's really not much else we can tell you other than what you see is what you get, and the car is actually turnkey serviced, and again, one of the nicest ones you may ever find, with 35,000 original miles, exceptional ownership history. About $40,000 was recently spent on it to recommission it, and once again, here it is to show you it could go really well, and then put it back in the showroom as we normally do.